Hi and welcome to JEDLAB, Java Education and Development Lab. The purpose of creating this channel is to explore Java open source projects, and we are going to create a lot of cool projects using Java frameworks. I really love Java frameworks, that's why I created this channel to share it with you, with the one who are interested in. Before we get started, I need you to clone and build few external libraries which contains bunch of utility classes and abstractions and helps you to speed up your development. Don't panic, you don't need to learn any new library. We will use familiar frameworks including Spring, Spring Cloud, Hibernate, Prime Faces, JSF, etc. So nothing to be worried about. Let's start. Go to this URL, github.com JEDLAB framework. Copy this URL, clone, I'm going to use Git as version control. So I will clone this project. Meanwhile, let me show you which version of JDK I'm using. I'm using Java 8 and I'm using Maven as a build tool. Let's get back to this. After building this project, you will likely get an error which tells you this project has another dependency that you need to clone and build. I promise this is the last dependency. Go to GitHub, omit p accent. Don't get this wrong with the accent framework. This is a JSON serialization and deserialization with the ability of detecting recursion without using any annotation. So let's clone this project. Then let's build it. Okay, after it's done, if you get an error, just go to the pom.xml. There is a module here, and you can comment this module because it's YAGNI, you ain't gonna need it. So the build was successful. I will get back to the framework and run the command npm clean install again. This time it should be successful and gives me build success message. So let's wait until it's finished. Yes, it's done. Then we need to import this into an IDE. I have an IDE running, so it don't let me to use the same workspace. I will go to my IDE. It's a Spring Tool Suite. You can use the IDE of your choice, whatever makes you happy. I'm going to import the project. Click on Import Project, Existing Maven Project. There are a lot of fantastic tutorials on installing Maven and JDK, so I'm going to skip that part and I'm going to just import the project into my IDE. Okay, I hit the finish button, then let's until it's done. Perfect. It's completely imported without any error, so feel free to check the packages, Java files, everything inside it. That's pretty much everything we need to have installed to create and build a new Java project, which we are going to do in next videos. So stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to hit the subscribe button.